Guys, YouTube just sent me this package, and the good thing is that YouTube paid for everything. They paid the dispatch rider, and they paid for this package to be delivered directly to my doorstep, and I'm super grateful to YouTube. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys, and I'm going to be tagging YouTube because they said I should do an unboxing video and tag them to the video. So YouTube, thank you so much for this package. I wasn't expecting this because I didn't know that it was going to arrive to my location. Oh my god, I'm super happy. So I know you're probably wondering, how did I manage to get this package, right? So it's all because of you guys, and also it's because of something that happened February. Before I unbox this package, let me explain to you how I got the package. It all started February when one of my faces channel was demonetized, and I made a video about it on this channel. Then YouTube had to reach out to me and tell me that I have been invited into the boot camp, right? And they also assigned a YouTube manager for me, a YouTube partner manager for me. They told me that they handpicked my channel. That means after I made that video, they found my channel and they handpicked me and gave me a YouTube partner manager, and also they did a bootcamp for me where they taught me a lot of things. So during this bootcamp, I was asking a lot of questions. I got to meet a lot of new YouTubers, both big YouTubers and small YouTubers. I got to meet a lot of them in this bootcamp. Not only that, YouTube taught us so many things in this bootcamp, and I am super grateful to YouTube and also my YouTube partner manager, because throughout the whole bootcamp I was asking a lot of questions and she was responding to me. So I want to also say that this package I got was as a result of me being active on the challenges they did during this bootcamp. So my YouTube partner manager was telling me to do a lot of challenges, and as soon as I did them, they said they were going to send me a goodie bag. So I was super happy because I've never gotten anything from YouTube apart from my AdSense pin. So this goodie bag, I'm super surprised that it's a new thing because I've never seen any creator talking about it. So I said, okay, I'm going to participate in the challenge, and successfully I was able to unlock the challenge. So they told me to wait until the bootcamp was over. Then my YouTube partner manager was going to reach out to me and send my goodie bag to me. So after the challenge was over, as they said, my YouTube partner manager told me that she gave me something to register. I registered, I put my details, my location. I gave her my phone number so that whenever the package arrives, they can call me. So after that, a few weeks later, they sent me a mail of my current location of my package. So they told me that my package is on its way to me. So when the thing was being shipped, I was knowing where the location of where my package was. So as soon as the package got to me, the dispatch rider called me to tell me that my package has arrived. He actually called me yesterday, but he said it was too late and he wanted to come today instead. So I said, okay, no problem. So he arrived at my place today and he gave me my package. I'm super happy because YouTube paid for everything. They paid for the package, they paid for the dispatch rider, and I didn't have to pay for anything. So I'm going to be unlocking the package, the goodie bag, as they say there. So I know what is there. I already have an idea of what is in the package, but I want us to unbox it together. So this is the package. How did they unbox this thing? They remove this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think it's a sweater. Guys, this is a sweater. Oh my god. YouTube, what's good? I think I'm going to try it on for you guys to see how it looks like on me. So I'm going to do a transition for how I changed to the clothes. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. This looks good on me. Guys, I want you guys to check my outfit. Wow, YouTube actually knew my size. Wow, wow, wow. And this is the YouTube logo. Can you see the YouTube logo? So this is the YouTube logo. I think I'm going to be using this sweatshirt to film most of my videos because I super love it. So check the back. So guys, what do you think? Do you think YouTube did a job with this sweatshirt, with this sweater? Let me know in the comment below. I wouldn't have gotten this without the help of you guys, so thank you so much. I super love this, man. I love this. I love this. Thank you so much, YouTube, for sending this over for me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.